Well, there are only 2 parishes in Louisiana which have complete records of cattle brands going all the way back to before the Civil War. Those 2 parishes are St. Tammany and Terrebonne. As This Week in Louisiana Agriculture's Avery Davidson now shows us, one local author learned that his records of cattle brands did more than just show ownership of livestock. It also provided a record of those who settled southeastern Louisiana.
There was a time when cattle like these roamed free in open ranges where the only way you could tell who owned the calf was by the brand burned into its hide. For author Dr. Christopher Cenac Sr. of Houma, it was the discovery of his grandfather's brand that started him on a 10-year journey into the history of Terrebonne Parish. Cenac says when he first went to his clerk of court, Bobby Boudreau, no one knew where the parish brand records were until
he found a shoebox with 3 little bitty old-time ledger books in them in a storage facility. So I went to the courthouse, and sure enough, it says Brand Books of Terrebonne, 1822-1946.
Cenac then scanned all 3 ledgers and reproduced them in his book, Livestock Brands and Marks, An Unexpected Bayou Country History. Cenac compares the books to a guest book.
It's like a wedding reception. When you go to a wedding reception, you stand in line and everybody signs the book. Well, what these people were doing were creating, unexpectedly, a history of the chronological serial migration of the pioneer families that were settling this area.
It is more than just a symbol. It is part of who we are. When Cortez first came to Louisiana, he brought the brand, and that was 3 crosses.
Louisiana Commissioner of Agriculture and Forestry Dr. Mike Strain says his family brought his brand over from Scotland and registered it in St. Tammany Parish in the 1850s.
And it's like our families. It's like Louisiana. It's made from beaten iron. You know, when you look at it, you know, it's been through a lot. You know, it's rusty. It's been, you know, through fire and back. If you look at the handle, it's made of native wood from here, you know, and you can see blood, sweat, and tears. It's all part of the family.
I myself was able to view one of my grandfather's brand that was registered in St. Tammany Parish on July the 7th of 1813. This state has some of the oldest brands that are on record.
Carl Bennett is the director of the Livestock Brand Commission. He says for cattlemen, the brand is a direct link to their history and remains an integral part of the cattle industry.
There's no modern technology that can replace the burned brand.
And for Cenac, nothing can replace what he learned researching this brand. In Houma, I'm Avery Davidson for This Week in Louisiana Agriculture.
If you would like to see Dr. Cenac Sr.'s full discussion from the Louisiana Book Festival, the University Press of Mississippi has posted all 41 minutes of his lecture online. You can find a link to that video on our website, twilatv.org.